So broadacre artificial intelligence is very, very difficult. The amount of data you generate when you're dealing with thousands of acres is insurmountable. And the challenge that the industry has is by the time you get all of this data and you actually manage to process it, by the time you get back to the field has already changed. The information that you collected is no longer valid. So we have a real challenge on our hands, and the way Precision AI has approached this problem is by putting artificial intelligence on the drone itself. The drone itself is actually capable of making those decisions in real time. So you don't need to take all sorts of pictures of a field and then process them later. You can actually make those decisions in real time, and as soon as the drone lands, you have actionable information that you can use right there before you even leave the field. We've made radical advancements in edge computing and artificial intelligence, which allow us to be able to go massively fast over broadacre scales, and we believe we've unlocked the secret to broadacre artificial intelligence on the farm.